so depressed? Why are you so depressed? So this is my fashionable fanny pack. So look how cute this is going to be, okay? Let me strap it on. Okay, see? Don't I pull it off well, right?
Fanny packs and granny pants are in
that.
style.
But they accentuate your booty because of the little pockets.
Oh yay! You just look like a festive garden.
So I just like walk like this like a model, right?
That's what I live with every day. Get on. Oh.
Whee!
Don't rack. You gotta steer.
I'm steering. I'm trying to. There we go. No, wrong way. Oh my gosh. That was fun.
In your granny pants.
Whatever.
Black gold. We're actually at the convention center right now, and she.
I fangirled.
Yeah, she did. She came to get her passes for tomorrow, and I passed a fitness person. You guys might not know her, Lauren Drain.
Here, I'll show a picture. Focus.
I don't know if it's focused on it or not. Anyways.
She's a big
She went in the bathroom, so I actually followed her in the bathroom.
Well, that sounds creepy.
Yeah, but that's what she always does. This is like not the first year that she's ran into her
I don't like that.
idols in the bathroom. I said, I got an idea next year. Just sit in the bathroom, wait for them to come in, because they're all going to go.
Come on, it's a famous moment. It's official.
So you're going to be working,
Half the time.
and I'm going to be doing whatever I want. I wonder what Copart's like here in Columbus.
I don't think they have a Copart.
No, there's one here.
Oh god.
Expo didn't even start yet, and she's in here getting free stuff. She has a pass to get in, so now I'm carrying drinks for her.
That's right. These are my fave. These peach mango green tea Celsius drinks. So delicious.
We're going back to the hotel. We're done for the night. That's enough. It's not even the day of the expo yet. All right, it's game time, girl. You got to work that booth.
I know.
Uh-huh.
Gotta work that booth.
Uh-huh. Make that money. You ready?
I'm ready.
So your girl's been in here early, hitting up the good booth, while I was standing outside in the lot. Look,
I got the new flavor.
this stuff's crack.
Here's
Huh? Oh, that's for me. Okay, I got some crack. We normally come to the Arnold to get free shit. Here she is buying shit already.
Well, it'd be deals.
Okay. You know what's a better deal? Free. Alright, this is where we part ways. She's working for the day. She's at her booth. What booth is this? 9 what? What booth is this?
912.
912. Snap Nutrition.
We about to turn it on.
Captain America's looking rough. Alright, so I've had all I can take for right now. Taking all this stuff back to the room for now. And I'm going to edit my video while I'm there. You know, just pass some time.
We about to turn it on.
All these fitness people, and I'm over here like, So, how was your first day at the Arnold?
It was good, busy, fun. My voice is about dead. I'm screaming and talking to people.
Oh. So you won't be talking my ear off tonight.
It's gym time now.
Gym time.
First.
Gym time. Okay, yeah, this is, that's all drinks. Like, we bought a couple things, but a lot of this, most of this was free. There's a bunch of t-shirts over there, drawstring bags underneath my jacket and stuff. And yeah, and this is only one day. We got 2 more to go. 2 more to go. We're going to go hit the gym right now. Now, we are going to take a stroll through Columbus.
Yes, we are.
Actually, we're just going to eat. There's a place like a couple blocks away we ate last year. It was actually really good. What is it? Market 65 or
I don't know, something like it's like
Market something.
fresh food and salads.
Yeah, it's almost like Subway with salads. I know that sounds boring, but
You have a lot of toppings. And
yeah, I have a lot of different. They had wines and beers too, if I remember right. Yeah. Yeah, remember?
Don't forget you like their cookies.
Remember? Yeah, oh yeah, they got some good cookies too. They're all homemade. What are you trying to say anyway?
I don't like your hat on you.
You don't like that?
That is weird.
I'm a trucker.
Is it weird?
I'm a trucker.
I just don't.
Without you, I remember myself, my name. Forgot about all you tried to change. sound of your voice as I continue to walk on by. It has been a year and now I'm living on the line. It has been a year.
And this thing's f***ing sweet. I'm vlogging, my wife vlogging.
Here and like wine if you want that, and there's like cookies.
This is what we do.
Like,
She doesn't talk to me.
You know, healthy.
She talks to people.
Expo.
Her phone.
Look at that. He's vlogging. He's making fun of me talking.
Check that big thing out. It's erect. Huh?
I admit that I've lost my place. My memory's gone erased. Like a scratch, only the scar remains. For we are better apart. The pain is still like the stars above. There's no
big ass salad.
So anyways, we're chilling back in a room. My next video is, this is the episode before this one. This is uploading. It's taking forever here. It was an eventful day. We had fun. I'm going to close it out here. So, if you like this video, go check out some other ones. Like, subscribe, and we'll see you on the next episode on Rec.